All right, everybody. This is Liam's first reaction. Hold on, let me turn on the light. Give me a second. Liam's first reaction to snow. This is his first time going outside. Since he was born, when he was born, he didn't have any snow outside. But this is his first reaction. Ready, set,
Front
go.
door.
It's not even that bad. Oh my God! Look. What is it? What is it? What is it? You've never seen it before, right? Look at it. What is it? Look. Look. What is Check this out. Wow. Ooh, it is cold. Look at that. I think we're gonna have to get another cover for him. What is it? What is it? You've never seen it, right? Oh. I hope you guys are staying safe. It is really windy outside right now. Like right now, I'm right here in the cover of my house, but I'm gonna get another sweater for my son because it's so cold outside. There goes my baby girl. First step. I threw some salt right here, as you can see right here. But I guess it didn't matter because it's still iced up a little bit. Look at the contrast. Not that cold, but it's still snowing though. Luckily, we have hot water this year. Semi-truck Daily's truck right here. There she is. I wish I had a semi. Ooh, oh man. Careful. Oh, it's cold. Ooh, it's cold. The neighborhood. It's ice. Well, I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out. Be safe.